Hi everyone, today I'm making potato and chicken croquettes. For this I have 1 pound minced chicken. I have 1 mashed boiled potato. I took 1 large potato. So I'm gonna put the potato in the chicken. I'm adding 1 slice of soaked breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of very finely chopped jalapeno pepper. Lastly, a 1/4 cup of cheese of your choice, it's shredded. I'm gonna mix in a little and then add the spices. I'm putting in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder, also adding 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. We're gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna refrigerate it for 20 to 30 minutes and then make the croquettes. I've taken the mixture out of the refrigerator and I'm gonna form croquettes, which will be like small tiny cylinders. First I'm gonna oil my hands. These are how my croquettes look like. So the croquettes are ready. I'm gonna preheat the air fryer now. I'm preheating the air fryer at 390. The air fryer is preheated now. I'm putting a parchment paper in there for less mess. I'm gonna take the croquettes and first I'm gonna roll them in all-purpose flour, just very lightly. Then I'm putting it in egg. And here I have some panko bread crumbs mixed with Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese is totally optional, so I'm just very lightly covering them in breadcrumbs. And now I'm gonna place them in air fryer. I'm gonna do this for all of these croquettes. So I've placed all the croquettes that can fit in the air fryer. Put some oil spray on these. I'm gonna close the lid and set the timer for 15 minutes. It's been around 8 minutes. I'm gonna take a look. I'm gonna flip them and oil spray the other side. And I'm oil spraying. I'm closing the lid and setting the time for another 8 minutes. It's been 8 minutes. The croquettes should be ready now. Yep, they look done. Let me plate them.